So you want a Honda Ridgeline? Well, you can't buy one. Stay tuned. And it continues, folks. So around May 15th, Honda issued a stop sell notice for a faulty wiring harness in their rear tailgate. So what happens is in the tailgate itself, they have a wiring harness that connects to your camera. And I'll see if this one is open. The wiring harness gets cracked and full of water, and some other things happen to it, causing your backup camera to stop working. I don't know what other problems it really causes, but I know that it's bad enough that 187,000 of these are being recalled, and Honda can't legally sell them right now, because in the United States, you do have to meet safety regulations, and a backup camera is now required on all new vehicles sold. So for you Honda Ridgeline owners that currently have this, I believe it affects 2017 all the way up to present day. Honda does not have the replacement parts for these yet. So this is going on, 2 months now, and it's got to be costing them a ton of money. And it does suck because there's a lot of people who want to buy Ridgelines, right? Like, they like the truck, they want to buy one, but they can't uh, because of this kind of, I wouldn't call it a small problem, but I feel like an engine catching on fire or your brakes not working or something to that effect, yeah, that's when you issue a stop sell. But for a wiring harness and a backup camera, that really does sort of suck. I don't know. But hopefully they can get it fixed soon and people can start getting their Ridgelines, because I know they like them. I like this one here with the HPD package. They changed up the wheels and they no longer have those hideous gold ones that they had before. Those things freaking sucked. So these are on some General Grabbers, actually pretty aggressive looking tire. And, the wheels, definite improvement from the old ones. So let's see how much this bad boy is. I like this color too. This is a lot like Area 51 from Ford. So almost dang near identical. I know Ford did it first. So what is the damage here? I'll try to put this up on the screen. Honda is kind of hard to get the window stickers, folks, so I do my best there. But we've got a 2024 all-wheel drive RTL Plus. So this one is the HPD package, which is the wheels and tires and lug nuts, and that is really it. It's $1,900 just for that, which, I don't know. I mean, wheels and tires are expensive, so you'd probably spend about that on the aftermarket anyways if you fully replaced everything, for a price tag of $42,580. But then you opt for the HPD package as well as the Sonic Gray paint, destination and handling, and you are at $46,300 for the RTL, plus this HPD package. Which, the crappy thing is you don't get a lift on this, right? So they should have done like a 1 to 2 inch lift at least, similar to what Ford did with the Tremor, right? So put in the comments what you think about this whole situation with the Honda Ridgeline. Do you agree with the stop sale, or do you think that it's kind of silly and they should just lobby the government to allow them to be able to sell the trucks and kind of fix this later? See, it's got the big old red sign. You can't sell it, folks. Dun, dun, dun. All right. Thanks for watching. We will see you.